Spacious and versatile with flexible van connection options, the Outwell Lakecrest driveway awning is perfect for your active touring holiday. Strong, heavy-duty guy lines at the front and back ensures great stability in rough conditions. The Lakecrest front door features a mesh panel and tinted window combo that complements the twin side mesh windows for ample light and ventilation. Thank you so much for watching. Now check